Maximizer's integration with the SendGrid email delivery platform is your go-to solution for handling large volumes of emails with ease. The intuitive message editor simplifies the process of creating emails, ensuring you maintain high deliverability rates throughout. Plus, it keeps you compliant with anti-spam legislation so you can communicate within regulations confidently. When combined with Maximizer's CRM capabilities, this dynamic toolset empowers your business to run successful marketing campaigns, nurture leads, and enhance sales communications like never before. Before diving in, take a moment to choose the right SendGrid plan for your business. You can visit SendGrid's pricing page to explore your options. Click on Marketing Campaigns to see what's best for you. If you anticipate sending a lot of emails, a paid plan with automation might be right for you. Just ensure that the plan you choose has automation. Once you set up your SendGrid account, you'll need to create an API key for the Maximizer integration. Just go to SendGrid, navigate to Settings, then API Keys, and click on Create API Key. Set the permissions to full access and be sure to save the key somewhere handy like a notepad as you'll need it during installation. In Maximizer, the administrator can install the integration from the Maximizer app directory. Find the SendGrid card and click the Setup button to install it. When prompted, enter your SendGrid API key. After successfully installing the integration, you'll find a new Campaigns module in the left navigation bar. In the address book or contact list, top menu bar, go to Actions to find the option to add to SendGrid emails. For leads, the Add to SendGrid emails button will be ready for you in the top right corner. You're all set to boost your marketing efforts with this powerful integration.